So guys, I just received my EcoFlow River 2 power station, and I'm trying to charge it from an AC source, 220 volts. When I received it, upon opening, the battery was around 25%. Now it's 34%. So there's 37 minutes remaining to fully charge the battery. The input is around 348 watts. I'm planning to use this EcoFlow River 2 power station as a as a backup power for my laptop, my phone, my tablet, and also for my 70-watt portable fridge in case if there's a brownout. That's all. Thank you.